Ever been in a plane and noticed a weird barking sound? No, not that. This. And wondered what it was?
There is no phalange!
No need to panic. You were most likely sitting in an Airbus, and what you were hearing was the PTU, also called Power Transfer Unit. Power! A pump that balances pressure between the plane's hydraulic systems and is perfectly normal.
No need to panic.
When only one engine is running, the PTU kicks in to keep everything working.
So there's no need to worry.
Like flaps, brakes, and landing gear. Boeing aircraft have similar systems, however they don't make the distinctive. So if you always fly in Boeing machines, you might wonder,